Tired of setting up the same mix every session? I'll show you how to instantly load plugin chains and tracks for a pro sound in seconds. Slate Digital Templates come with pre-made plugin chains for vocals, synths, guitars, drums, and more, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Let me show you how easy this is. Let's drop in a completely unprocessed vocal and see how it sounds right away.
Head underwater, and I thought I wanna come up for air.
You can hear how it's already clean, balanced, and sitting well in the mix. Let's also listen to some of the synth tracks, which are my favorite part of this template.
I felt at peace and watched my demons leave my body right there. If this is the end, wish I was ready to go. But I'll take the pain if it means coming back home. 'Cause when I was drowning, I was calling for you. When I was drowning, I was calling for you.
Now, let's bypass all the plugins to hear the difference.
'Cause when I was drowning, I was calling for you. When I was drowning, I was calling for you beneath the waves.
This works for more than just vocals. There are custom chains for synths, guitars, bass, and drums, all designed to give you a great starting point in seconds. We drop weekly tips like this, so follow to stay in the loop and save this post for your next session.